Hey there, in this video I'm gonna review these two blenders. This one is the Magic Bullet and the other one is a Black & Decker blender, okay? So this Black & Decker blender has this big container and also the smoothie container. The smoothie container, you can use it with the same blade technology that it has here. You just put it on top and then you just put it backwards, and it will be used to blend only one personal smoothie or shake. It has a nice crush pulse functionality that it will help to make your smoothies. And the Magic Bullet includes these 4 glasses or cups and these 2 types of blades that you can use for the one for icing or ice crush or smoothies with more ice. Now, if you want to make the smoothie, it has this accessory, the red or the colorful one, that will help you to not drink directly from this part. And then you can remove this part and close it up and directly make the smoothie from here. This will fit directly in the blender, and you just pulse it up and you will be making this smoothie individually. As you can see, it is for individual smoothies rather than making a big one for the 4 people. Also includes these lids, and you can take it with you on your car or to your work or the office. So as you can see, the Magic Bullet works better for individual smoothies, and the other one is for more people because it has the big container. Which one is best? The one that fits more your needs.